What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be fishing my local lake. It is a little windy, so bear with me here. It's relatively bad, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully we can catch some fish. Let's get to it. Alright guys, so I made it to the spot where I'm going to be starting around these docks. It's pretty windy out there, so please bear with me, but let's see if I can catch a fish around this area. I'm not going to do a lot of talking just because it's so windy, but yeah, let's get to it. Yo. I think so. I mean, it's been there for like, what, a month, 2 months? You know? There we go, guys. First, oh, I missed some, guys. First fish of the day, gone. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so I've been fishing for about 20 minutes now. I got that one bite, and I was on the phone, actually. I was fishing some pretty deep water, and that felt like a nice fish, you know? But I'm gonna try and stay out of the wind here. It is super windy. I'm gonna try and fish some coves that do not have that wind. Hopefully we can catch one. Oh, I thought I had a fish. That's a fish. No, and I lost him. I lost him. No, second fish lost, guys. Right when it landed. Come on. Just got another bite. Oh, I have him. It's a small fish, guys. He came off, of course. That is probably like a bluegill or something. Such a small bite. I didn't even see him. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. That does not feel like a bad one. Nice one, guys. Nice fish, guys. Not a bad fish. Come here. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. It is currently 7:44, guys. Can't help that thing. Ooh. All right, I'm gonna need to get some pliers. This guy has it down the gullet. All right, guys, there we go. First fish of the day. Chunky fish. He ate it right on the drop. I gut hooked him, but I did a little surgery. He is not bleeding that much. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. Thankfully we caught that fish. It's gonna be very late. I'm gonna go ahead and let him go. He should be good. There he goes. Hopefully we can catch another one. Let's get to it. Fish. That felt like a nice fish. That was not a bad bite, guys. All right, guys, it is currently about to be 8 p.m. in the afternoon. Topwater bite should turn on. I am gonna try the frog and see if I can get a blow up. Hopefully today I'm gonna try and catch one on the frog, so we'll see how that goes. Oh my god, guys. No! There we go, guys. No! No! He came off again! Oh my gosh. That was actually a really nice fish, guys. Alright, guys, so I just saw some lightning. Lightning and fishing and water and stuff do not mix. I might try the frog a few more casts, but it doesn't seem like it. Alright, everybody, that is going to do it for today's video. Not a bad day. I caught one fish. For some reason, I've been catching one fish these past times that I've gone fishing. It sucks. I lost 4 fish in total today. I was pretty salty about that frog fish because he ate it like 3 times. Like, I should have hooked him, but one day, guys, one day I will catch that frogfish. But until then, I'll catch y'all next time on JJ Fishes.